Hello guys, review Meizu Mblu 21, this 6GB RAM memory and 120GB storage. Open box and look completion. In completion we have device in the blue color, okay, and adapter for charging and Type-C cable in the completion. Okay, double camera on the back side. Turn on device. On the downside, Type-C speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Device turn on. We have Android 14. Okay. Android 14. Open Geekbench 6 and talk about system information. We have Mali G57 GPU, single core score, multi-core score. Okay. Look onto the benchmark results. Okay. And the main games PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level only. Open camera, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.